By the time the countdown is finished, I will show you everything you need to know to kickstart your trading career. The biggest companies in the world make money every day by trading the market. How about you? Well, what do they have that you don't? Teams of analysts with years of trading experience using advanced trading systems. That is why we created this amazing piece of software, to give you and the world access to the most advanced trading solution available to date. Our team has brought together a mix of trading algorithms that outperforms the competitors every time. So how does it work? See that new trade signal? Tap it to open a trade. That's it. I know, no big secrets, no rocket science, just simple and easy to follow steps, and you'll be trading like never before. Click Join a Broker to set up your integrated trading account, and we will take care of the rest. Start trading like an expert now. It's easy. Your next trade is waiting for you. Good luck.